Yeah, this is David Talbot. I'm CTO for Aquivo. And what we wanted a high-volume call center application for Caspio. And so what we did is we really got the best of both worlds here. We wanted to relieve Caspio of a lot of high-intensity computing and logic in the telephone call handling side, but we wanted really good user interface. And so we partnered with Amazon Connect, which has high volume, does all the call routing, press 1 for customer service, those call trees and things like that, call recordings, and then partnered that with Caspio, which is really good at the user interface, okay? And then we also use ChatGPT to get the call recording transcripts and the sentiment analysis. And so this gives, within Caspio, complete history of all your customer contact. So let's have a look at this. So we've got Amazon Connect here. High volume, works really well for phone organization, but not very good user interface. And here we have whatever you want to do in Caspio, which is Caspio's strength, okay? And so now everything, all the call and all recordings, transcripts, everything is stored in Caspio, so you don't need to go back to Amazon Connect to get any of the history. So that works really well. Call transcripts, ChatGPT does really good call transcripts, and then you've also got the sentiment analysis and everything that we love AI for. So here we have tasks. So if a voicemail comes and you don't know about it, so it generates a task. And also people in the wider application that you're using can send tasks to the call center agents, so that you can say, call such and such about, their new appointment has been changed to Thursday. So that's really a very useful thing. So we have all the people that we can interact with, we have messages, and we have tasks. Okay? So we get high scalability, no sort of burden on the Caspio for all the boring but high volume computation. We get a unified interface. We have all the history and everything Caspio, and we have sentiment analysis. So let's have a look here. So here we have the user and main agent user interface, okay? And so this is the Amazon Connect part. And see, I can check from either Caspio or from Amazon Connect whether I'm available as a call center agent, okay? I'm available. Then we can look up in the, in your CRM, so your CRM's in Caspio, so we can look that up here. And we can call. So this is my phone calling. Let me just leave a message here. Yeah, this is the call center agent. I'm calling for David, and it's Tuesday morning. And David, can you call us back when you have a moment? Because we'd like to give you some extra information, okay? And then I can end the call here, okay? And then we go to messages. And here's the call recording, which you can't listen to. And then the call transcript, okay? Well, alternatively, I'm available and someone calls into me. I'm just calling from my phone. It'll give me the, this call will be recorded, that sort of stuff. Hi, this is David Talbot, and I'm calling into Caspio to find out some extra information. If you have something, please let me know. Yes, we have extra information for you. Thank you very much. End call. We have messages. And here's the message, 16 seconds, and here's the transcript. So thanks very much. Bye-bye.